Here are some common idioms and phrasal verbs along with their meanings. Idioms 1. Bite the bullet. To endure a painful or unpleasant situation. 2. Break the ice. To initiate conversation in an awkward or tense situation. 3. Burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night. 4. A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good. 5. Hit the nail on the head. To say or do something exactly right. Phrasal verbs. 1. Break down. To stop functioning or to get emotionally upset. 2. Bring up. To raise a topic for discussion. 3. Call off. To cancel something. 4. Carry on. To continue doing something. 5. Give up. To stop trying or surrender.